We just saw how we could build the 7 triads on the 7 scale degrees in the key of E. So let's take a moment just to look a little bit more closely at what we've made. First thing I want to point out is, remember when we talked about the fact that there is a pattern of major and minor chords that we find, or that we found in C major. So the 1 chord we discovered is a major chord, C major. The 2 chord is a minor chord, D minor. The 3 chord is also a minor chord, E minor. The 4 is a major chord, F major. The 5 is a major chord, G major. The 6 is a minor chord, A minor. And then the 7 is a diminished chord, a B diminished chord. Let's see if that pattern holds in the key of E. Okay, let's go to our 1 chord. 1 chord. E, G sharp, B. So, E to G sharp is a major third, G sharp to B is a minor third. So yes, that is a major chord, an E major chord. Next chord. F sharp, A, C sharp. F sharp to A is a minor third, A to C sharp is a major third. So that is A and F sharp minor chord. The 3 chord, G sharp, B, D sharp. G sharp to B is a minor third, B to D sharp is a major third. So that is a G sharp minor chord. The 4 chord, A, C sharp, E. A to C sharp is a major third, C sharp to E is a minor third. That means that this is an A major chord. The 5 chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. B to D sharp is a major third. D sharp to F sharp is a minor third. So this is also a major chord, a B major chord. The 6th chord, C sharp, E, G sharp. C sharp to E is a minor third. E to G sharp is a major third. So that is a C sharp minor chord. And then finally, D sharp to F, and this is the 7 chord, D sharp to F is a minor third. F sharp to A is also a minor third. So this is a diminished chord, a D sharp diminished chord. So the pattern holds. The pattern that we discovered in C major holds for the key of E major. The 1, 4, and 5 chords are all major. The 2, 3, and 6 chords are all minor. And then the 7 chord is a diminished chord. And again, we're using E major as an example, but this is going to hold true for all of the major keys. One of the interesting implications of this is that we have just exploded our universe of chords, at least chords that we can name with or identify by Roman numerals. We started out with 7 chords in C major. The 1 chord, the 2 chord, the 3 chord, the 4 chord, the 5 chord, the 6 chord, and the 7 chord. But now we're going to multiply that by the 7 sharp keys and the 7 flat keys, which means we now have a universe of 104 different triads that we can identify with Roman numerals. One other thing, just one other random thing that I want to throw in here. Very often when we start changing keys and analyzing chords with Roman numerals, one of the conventions we use is we put the name of the key over on the left like this. So if I'm analyzing these chords in C major, just to let everybody know that that's my frame of reference, I'm going to write a letter C with a colon like this, just to let everyone know that all these Roman numerals that I'm writing out here are going to be referring to C major as their frame of reference. Same thing, if I do the same thing down here with E major, I'm going to write a letter E and then a colon, just to let everybody know that these Roman numerals that I'm writing are all within the frame of reference of E major. And this is going to be especially important once we start getting into more complicated musical examples where we're actually changing keys within a particular piece. Now, even though we've now expanded our universe to 105 different chords that we can identify by Roman numeral throughout the 15 major keys, it's not quite as complicated as you think it is. And in the next video, I'm going to explain, or try to explain, why that is.